Okay, I'm going to make a short little video here just as a sanity check on the process I'm using to set the ignition timing and some of the questions that I have, because what I'm seeing just doesn't appear to make sense. So, fully warmed up engine, we're idling at 650. Got my little handy tool here to jump these connectors. So, I think it's TE1 to E1. And you hear my idle drop. Okay, so my idle drop, about 100 RPM, but it does correct. It slowly comes back up. So pretty close to 650. So check connector still jumped, but we're coming back up. I mean, pretty close, right? So that 10 or 20 RPM, I don't think it makes that big of a difference. And I've got the advance set to 0 degrees, and this will not show up in here. I've tried videoing this before. You cannot make out the BB, but the needle on the flywheel, or excuse me, the needle on the bell housing is lined up with the little pressed BB that I painted yellow, which should be the 7 degree before top dead center mark. So this tells me, I believe, that my static timing is correct. Unless I'm missing something, we're pretty close to 650 RPM. And I'm right there. So I don't think I need to adjust the orientation of the distributor. Now, this is where I get puzzled, okay? Because the manual says to disconnect the jumpers. You hear my RPMs jump up to 750, but it will slowly correct. And this is one area where I think I was confused originally. I didn't really realize that it was completely kind of resettling the RPM. So now I need to see 12 degrees to top dead center. So if I put in 12 degrees here, right, I should see the top dead center mark aligned in the window, but it's not. I'm still, the needle in there is really close to the 7 degree BB. So in order to get the top dead center mark aligned, I need to keep adding timing, or advance rather, and that right there, it's aligned, but that's 18 degrees. So in order to see the needle aligned with the mark on the flywheel in that window with 18, I have to put 18 degrees into it in order to see it, and I'm not understanding that because the manual says I should see about 12 degrees, and I don't. So I need help with this. I can't figure it out.